Today, I'm reviewing the Moen 87042 SRS Edison Spot Resist Stainless One-Handle High-Arc 4-Hole Kitchen Faucet. A classic-looking faucet that promises durability, convenience, and a cleaner kitchen with less effort. But does it really live up to Moen's reputation? Stick around until the end because I'll tell you exactly who this faucet is perfect for and who should skip it. Product features. Let's start with what you get. This faucet features a high-arc spout, giving you plenty of clearance for filling large pots or washing bulky cookware. The design looks traditional, but still fits well in modern kitchens. It uses a single-handle design, which makes adjusting water temperature and pressure smooth and effortless, even with one hand. One of the standout features is the side sprayer hose. This is great for rinsing dishes, cleaning the sink, or washing vegetables with more flexibility than a fixed spout. The spot resist stainless finish is a big plus. It helps resist fingerprints and water spots, keeping your faucet looking clean with minimal wiping. You also get a built-in soap or lotion dispenser, which keeps your countertop clutter-free and adds everyday convenience. On the safety side, Moen ensures this faucet complies with the Federal Safe Drinking Water Act and NSF 61 standards, meaning it's certified safe for clean drinking water. And finally, it's backed by Moen's limited lifetime warranty, showing they expect this faucet to last for decades, not just a few years. Pros and cons. Pros: clean, classic design that works in many kitchen styles. Spot resist stainless finish keeps it looking clean longer. Side sprayer adds flexibility for daily kitchen tasks. Smooth single-handle operation. Includes soap or lotion dispenser for extra convenience. Certified safe for drinking water. Backed by Moen's limited lifetime warranty. Cons: requires a 4-hole sink setup, which may not work for all kitchens. Traditional design may feel outdated for ultra-modern kitchens. No pull-down sprayer integrated into the main spout. Overall review. Overall, the Moen 87042 SRS Edison Kitchen Faucet is a reliable, well-built choice for homeowners who value durability, ease of use, and a timeless look. It's especially ideal for family kitchens, rental properties, or anyone who prefers a classic faucet with modern performance and minimal maintenance. If you want something futuristic or touchless, this may not be the best fit. But if you're looking for a trusted brand, solid construction, and everyday practicality, this faucet absolutely delivers. If this review helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future kitchen product reviews. You'll find the product link in the description below if you want to check current pricing or availability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.